Microwaves and light bulbs. This is a microwave. Metal on the inside, metal door with holes in it to reflect the microwaves inside. Always use a microwave with water inside to absorb the microwave radiation. Light bulb. Light bulb in the water. Put it in the microwave. Turn on. And you can see that when it goes through the microwaves inside the oven, the bulb glows, showing the energy from the microwaves making the gas inside the bulb actually glow. There's a little bit of gas, it's mostly a vacuum, but there's a little bit of gas. The microwaves reflect off the filament inside and it glows. If you just put metal straight in a microwave, it'll cause sparks, so never do that, which is partly why the water's there. Get it out and it's hot to touch. The energy's been absorbed and it's been used for heating.